back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone data entry work from home job lead for you. As always, the links to all the pages that I share in this video are linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to read reviews on the company or put that application in. Today's job lead is from the company Hunger Rush. Now, Hunger Rush has 64 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.0 out of 5-star rating. As always, please do your own research on any of these companies. Make sure you are comfortable giving them your personal information before you do so. But Hunger Rush is hiring a data entry specialist. This is remote for the United States. Now, Hunger Rush is a leading provider of integrated restaurant solutions. Hunger Rush 360 is their flagship cloud point of sales system that makes it easy to delight guests, drive loyalty, and manage restaurants from anywhere. So they're basically looking for someone to do data entry for their digital ordering and delivery system. So you'll be in charge of entering the menus for online ordering. You'll transfer the menu data from the paper or digital menu formats into their database using their menu entry system. You'll use problem-solving skills to find solutions for client menu needs, and you'll ensure high level of client satisfaction throughout the menu entry process. So these are companies that are using this point of sale software, trying to get their menus online so that people can order online and also order online for delivery. Now, one thing to quickly note about this data entry job, they do have a few state restrictions. Those are California, Colorado, Maine, Minnesota, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Washington, D.C., or Washington State. So you cannot be hired if you're in one of those states. All other states are eligible. You do not require any kind of college degree. It's just a high school diploma or GED and 1 year experience of data entry. They do want somebody who has experience operating a computer in a Google-based environment. Someone who is fluency in Chinese or Spanish is a plus and might get you to the top of the line, but it is not required. Now, unfortunately, pay for this position was not listed in the job description. That'll have to be asked at the time of the interview, as pay is normally dependent on location and experience. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those, and if you have any suggestions on how I can make these job lead videos more helpful to you, let me know that down below as well, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.